Let the learn vegetables names in English. A Best Kids Learning channel. Please subscribe for more interesting videos. Carrot, 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 carrot. Potato, 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 potato. Tomato, 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 tomato. Cucumber, 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 cucumber. Onion, 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 onion. Broccoli, 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 broccoli. Cauliflower, 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 cauliflower. Spinach, 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 spinach. Pumpkin, 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 pumpkin. Zucchini, 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 zucchini. Bell pepper, red, yellow, green. Bell pepper, red, yellow, green. Corn, 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 corn. Peas, 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 peas. Mushroom, 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 mushroom. Radish, 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 radish. Eggplant, brinjal, eggplant, brinjal. Sweet potato, sweet potato, sweet potato, sweet potato. Lettuce, 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 lettuce. Celery, 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 celery. Chili pepper, chili pepper, chili pepper, chili pepper. Garlic, 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 garlic. Ginger, 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 ginger. Cabbage, 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 cabbage. Asparagus, 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 asparagus. Please subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe this channel for more videos.